Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, hello, my name is Shule and I share home decor, DIY, shopping hauls, home organizations as well as cooking in my channel. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I'm participating in Look for Less challenge hosted by Yami over at the Latina next door, as well as co-hosted by Kristin from Kristin's Chaotic Life. In this challenge, we are supposed to create a home decor piece that we like for a lot less. And I will show you how I recreated this ZGallerie wall scones for a lot less, and I hope you enjoy. I really wanted a mirrored wall scones and I couldn't find anything that I liked over the internet. Then I came across this beautiful wall scones in ZGallerie's website. I live in England and we don't have ZGallerie over here, and shipping cost is really high, not to mention almost £90 per wall scones, and I needed two. I was really delighted when I saw these photo frames in HomeSense, and they were only £10 each in the clearance. The original price was $14.99. Then I bought the silver glitter cards from Hobbycraft for only £1 for 6 cards, and at this point I still didn't know how I was going to create the candle holder. After a lot of thinking and searching, I found these single tea light candle holders in Amazon, and they were just perfect match. $7.99 each. It couldn't get any better. I placed the cards inside and they were the perfect width and looked really beautiful. Then I faced with another dilemma. There were no hooks at the back to hang them on the wall, so our lovely technician came to my rescue. He bended some strong wire so I could actually hang them. I measured and marked the middle of both of them and used epoxy adhesive, which I paid only for £1 for a strong bond. I only used the adhesive, but if I was doing it again, I would also use hot glue, as it kept sliding, and I ended up repositioning and cleaning the glue residue until the epoxy adhesive cured, which took several minutes. And the end result, I absolutely love it. It cost me less than £20 each instead of $90 each, and I will reveal where they are going to be hanged on the 26th of January when I'm doing a home tour, and make sure you press the notification bell so you wouldn't miss that video. And here's the comparison between my one and ZGallerie's one. And as an extra bonus, I decided to put my artwork, a page from my sketchbook, to see how it goes. It has a really good potential. I can actually change it and use different images for different seasons, and I really love this idea. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it inspirational. If you did, please subscribe to my channel so I can continue to inspire you more. Thank you so much, Kristin and Yami. I really enjoyed participating in this challenge. And until next time, bye bye.